Hi, my name's Juliet and I'm going to give you a brief overview of Scrivener snapshots. A snapshot is a way of keeping an old version of a part of your manuscript. So let's say you're about to edit a chapter and you want to keep the current version before you start making any changes. You can take a read-only snapshot so you don't lose what you had before. Just click into the chapter, go to the inspector, find the camera icon at the top and click on that. There you will see a little plus symbol. Click on it and you'll hear a camera clicking sound, and then the snapshot will appear in the pane. You'll see that it already has a date stamp on it, but you can change the title of the snapshot if you want to. The actual text of the snapshot is in the pane below, and if you click into it you'll find that you cannot edit it. However, if you highlight it and paste it back into your document, then it acts as any other normal text. If you like to keep all the versions of your manuscript, this could be the feature for you. Alternatively, you could simply compile an editable Microsoft Word copy of the manuscript every time you start editing. Do you like to keep previous versions of your manuscript? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.